One of the most famous customs ever built was a '55 Chevrolet convertible, customized in Barris's shop, and when it was brand new with less than 145 miles on it. The young man that owned it was a boy by the name of Bill Carr, and he and a Barris employee by the name of Bill Decarr customized the Chevrolet into one of the most beautiful show cars ever built.
They built the car using the methods of the day, such as gas welding and paddling lead, and using component parts out of a junkyard to assemble the car, like this DeSoto bumper, and to build one of the top show cars in the country, working at night after hours. When they were done, they had one of the top show cars in the country for several years, from 55 through about 61. What was interesting, when he got ready to sell, he sold it to, unfortunately for him, a bank robber. And after a period of time, the FBI came to Bill Carr and said, "We want to know where the car is at." And he said, "I sold it." And they said, "We want the money." The FBI went on a search and found the car hidden in a garage in Phoenix, Arizona. They subsequently confiscated the car and put it up for auction. It was then sold and went through several owners and wound up at a body shop in New Jersey. And that's where my contact with the car came into play. At the time, I owned the El Matador, another famous show car, and I was trying to find the old cars and restore them. And when I contacted the people in New Jersey about what was left of the car, they said, "It's not for sale, don't ever call again." That was in 1975. The FBI eventually seized the car again when one of its subsequent owners was caught transporting illegal drugs. Thus the curse of the Aztec was born. The car sat rotting away in that New Jersey junkyard until Barry Mazza, a hot rod man now living in Florida, acquired the corpse in 1991 and began the process of restoration. As you can see from some of the following pictures, he did a great job. The beautiful Aztec custom has been returned to its former glory. Barry has done a great job on the restoration, and Bill Carr, the original owner, flew to Florida to see the car once again and to shake Barry's hands for the beautiful restoration of this all-time great custom out of the Barris Brothers shop in California. And One Eye Bobby Wilcox went to prison. He wasn't happy about it.